Welcome to the presentation on Circular Economy Best Practices in the European Union, focusing on the semiconductor leader. Infineon Technologies from Germany. Infineon is a global leader in semiconductor solutions, a sector traditionally known for being resource-intensive. As we face growing challenges in climate change and resource scarcity, Infineon demonstrates how high-tech manufacturing can lead a circular transition. We will examine how their commitment to material recovery, energy efficiency, and innovative product design sets new benchmarks for the electronics industry. By transforming their operations, they prove that sustainable technology is not just an environmental goal but a driver for technical and economic excellence. Let's look at our roadmap. Our agenda for this session is structured into three primary segments to provide a comprehensive analysis of Infineon's circular transition. First, we will cover the company profile, providing insights into their core semiconductor business and the initial environmental challenges that necessitated their circular strategy. Second, we will dive deep into the key components of circular economy practices. This section utilizes the KODECET framework to evaluate Infineon's impact across three critical pillars: planet, profit, and people, alongside overarching themes like technology and policy. Finally, we will conclude with a summary of circular economy strategies. This will include an overview of the core technological recovery methods, the main findings from their recent reports, and the key takeaways that make Infineon a scalable blueprint for the technology sector within the European Union. This structured approach ensures understanding of their success. Company profile of Infineon. Infineon Technologies is a global manufacturer of semiconductor solutions, headquartered in Neubiberg, Germany. They play a critical role in essential sectors including the automotive industry, renewable energy systems, and consumer electronics. As a leader in the technology market, Infineon recognizes the significant environmental footprint of high-tech manufacturing, which traditionally consumes high volumes of water and rare minerals. By acting as a pioneer, they have dedicated their efforts to integrating circularity into every stage of their production facilities. Their work is characterized by a high-tech approach to sustainability, focusing on resource efficiency and waste reduction across global operations. This overview sets the context for their specific circular initiatives, which aim to decouple business growth from resource consumption while supporting the global transition to greener technologies like electric vehicles and efficient power management. Infineon's core business centers on producing advanced semiconductor solutions that power modern technology. Their primary circular economy approach focuses on precious metal recovery from production waste and energy-efficient manufacturing for greener technologies. This model strictly adheres to circular principles by ensuring that valuable resources are reclaimed rather than discarded. The main findings from their recent circular analysis are significant. The company successfully recycles up to 90% of the process water used in semiconductor manufacturing. Furthermore, their reclamation programs successfully reclaim precious metals such as gold, silver, and copper from production waste, allowing these materials to re-enter the manufacturing cycle. These findings validate that resource-intensive high-tech industries can achieve high production standards while protecting local water resources and minimizing the need for virgin mining, effectively closing material loops in a complex high-tech supply chain. The initial situation that prompted Infineon's circular transition is defined by the unique challenges of the semiconductor industry. Manufacturing electronic components is traditionally energy-intensive and requires vast amounts of water and rare, valuable minerals. This linear model leads to significant waste generation and environmental pressure. Furthermore, the industry faces growing material scarcity and volatile prices for essential resources. Regulatory drivers have also played a crucial role. Stringent EU environmental regulations and global e-waste mandates push technology companies toward greater resource efficiency and life cycle accountability. Infineon recognized these ecological and economic hurdles as a strategic opportunity to innovate their model. By addressing the take, make, dispose flaw in high-tech production, they aim to create a more resilient industrial system that aligns with European sustainability goals while meeting the rising demand for energy-efficient products in the green technology sector. Key components of circular economy practices of Infineon. Under the planet pillar, Infineon's environmental impact is focused on resource conservation and footprint reduction. Their closed-loop water systems recycle up to 90% of water used in manufacturing, drastically reducing their freshwater footprint. A key material innovation is their transition to bioplastics and sustainable packaging materials, which minimizes the use of non-renewable resources. Furthermore, their design for circularity ensures that products are engineered for extreme durability and perform efficiently in long-term applications like renewable energy and electric vehicles. Infineon has also successfully eliminated hazardous substances like lead from its soldering processes, continuing to innovate with non-toxic material alternatives. By prioritizing energy-efficient production, they cut carbon emissions per chip produced while supporting smarter power management in customer applications. These indicators demonstrate how Infineon mitigates pollution and protects ecosystems, fulfilling core circular objectives. The profit pillar examines the economic viability of Infineon's circular model. Their strategy ensures long-term financial sustainability by reclaiming high-value materials and improving energy efficiency, which significantly reduces operational costs. This efficiency delivers a strong return on investment for their sustainability initiatives. In terms of market growth, offering energy-efficient chips and sustainable packaging attracts eco-conscious businesses, opening new revenue streams in high-growth green technology sectors. Their business model innovation includes partnering with specialized electronics recycling programs to ensure products are responsibly managed at their end of life, protecting the brand's market competitiveness. This demonstrates that circularity is a primary driver of technical excellence and profitability, proving that high-tech manufacturers can thrive while reducing their reliance on expensive virgin raw materials. This alignment of economic growth with environmental responsibility is essential for the long-term resilience of the European industrial base. Infineon's commitment to the people pillar focuses on social well-being and high-tech job creation. Their recycling facilities and energy projects stimulate local economies by creating specialized jobs, particularly in regions near their production plants. Beyond job creation, Infineon adheres to international labor standards, ensuring equitable wages and safe working conditions across its global operations. A cornerstone of their success is active stakeholder engagement, including partnerships with research institutions and other manufacturers to drive innovation in sustainable semiconductors. Infineon also prioritizes consumer education by informing customers about the energy savings and environmental benefits of its products, fostering more sustainable technology usage worldwide. These efforts ensure that their circular transition is human-centric, promoting social equity and regional development as essential components of a resilient and equitable sustainable economic future for the global technology industry. The overarching components of Infineon's framework involve advanced technology and strict policy alignment. They leverage Internet of Things technology and sensors to monitor and optimize production processes in real time, ensuring maximum resource efficiency and minimizing waste discharge. In terms of policy support, Infineon maintains strict compliance with global e-waste regulations and extended producer responsibility principles, ensuring the proper recycling and disposal of electronic components. Their work supports circular governance by providing a proven blueprint for how the semiconductor industry can meet stringent European environmental targets. Infineon also excels in impact measurement and reporting, regularly publishing detailed metrics on water recycling rates, carbon emission reductions, and resource efficiency. This transparent data allows for accountability and provides the empirical evidence needed to justify ongoing sustainability investments. By combining digital innovation with strategic regulatory alignment, Infineon ensures its goals are measurable. Summary of circular economy strategies across European business practices. Infineon's core circular strategy revolves around integrating circularity into high-tech manufacturing through material recovery and process optimization. Their approach relies on three primary pillars. First, they prioritize precious metal recovery, reclaiming gold, silver, and copper from production waste to minimize the need for virgin mining and environmental degradation. Second, The company implements resource-efficient manufacturing, using energy-efficient fabrication processes to decouple business growth from increased resource consumption. Third, they utilize closed-loop water systems that recycle up to 90% of process water, protecting vital freshwater resources. A critical element of their strategy is the use of IoT sensors to optimize resource flows and manage assets responsibly. By integrating these strategies, Infineon establishes a closed-loop system for material recovery that addresses the unique resource challenges of the semiconductor sector. This demonstrates that innovation is the most effective tool for achieving sustainability. The main findings and impact of Infineon's practices highlight its success in delivering measurable environmental and economic benefits. A major result is the 90% water recycling rate, which significantly lowers the freshwater footprint of production while maintaining extreme material standards. Environmentally, the impact is profound. Reclaiming precious metals prevents landfilling and reduces the ecological damage associated with mining virgin resources. Economically, the initiative has improved profitability by lowering operational costs and opening new premium markets for energy-efficient semiconductor products. Systemically, Infineon proves that resource-intensive high-tech industries can successfully transition to circular models through technical innovation and digital optimization. These outcomes provide a clear picture of how circular strategies can transform high-energy industries into a sustainable global standard for the future. In conclusion, the key takeaways from Infineon's initiative underscore its role as a global benchmark for the circular economy. First, their work proves that sustainability is a primary driver for technical and economic excellence in the semiconductor industry. Second, Infineon demonstrates that IoT-driven optimization and circular design are essential for the long-term resilience of the green technology sector. Their active leadership and adherence to global ethical standards have built consumer trust and market competitiveness. The success of Infineon provides valuable knowledge that can be transferred to other high-tech sectors throughout the European Union. By combining high-tech material recovery with energy-efficient manufacturing and rigorous impact reporting, Infineon provides a proven solution for organizations looking to transition towards sustainable operations. Their journey proves that circularity is an environmental necessity and a viable industrial opportunity. Thank you for your attention throughout this deep dive into Infineon's circular economy practices. If you are interested in learning more about the KODECET project or exploring other good practice examples from our catalog, we encourage you to visit our website or contact our project partners.